Okay, I think I am back. I don't know if this is creating a new one or not. Okay, it's totally separate. Okay, so, and I see there was a comment. So I can't see the comments on the program I'm using, but I can see them when I'm on Facebook. So figure that one out. Okay, so let me try this again, and I hope it doesn't quit on me again. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to switch locations. But what I was talking about was LRP. So it is short form for Loyalty Rewards Program, and we're going to talk about this today because it really is the best way to score the deepest discounts on your doTERRA membership. So I kind of compare it to Costco. So this one's actually great because you opt into it and you don't have to pay anything and you don't have to pay anything to leave, but you're going to get a percentage back of your order depending on where you are in the program. So you start out at 10% back of whatever you spend over $10 or sorry, over 50 PV, and then you move all the way up to 30% back. So for instance, when I got started with doTERRA, I was getting 10% back of my $100 orders. I'll use 100 just because it's an easy number. So every 100 I spent, I got about $10 back in free oils. So these points work just like money, and you can just apply it to a future order or, you know, bank them up. I would collect a lot of them, like 100 to 200, and then I would spend them. And then once you're a year into Loyalty Rewards, you get up to 30% back. So now for every 100 I spend, I am getting $30 back in oils. And the great part about this is, again, like I said, you can kind of let them pile up to, you know, a couple hundred. So then you have a couple $100s of free oil sitting in your account, or you could spend them right away. And you also are going to get your shipping costs back in points. So if you have, you know, $6 shipping, you're going to get 6 points back. So they really do add up. What I love about this is when you go to shop at Costco, you get a percentage of your order back, or your what you spend at Costco, but it is nowhere near 30%, right? So with doTERRA, they're actually rewarding you for shifting to a more natural lifestyle and really embracing this more glowing lifestyle, right? So I love that about it. And there's also a free oil that you get. So what LRP Insiders kind of coincides with is this free oil of the month. So I just want to point out that this month it's grapefruit for free. So this is a $16 oil that just for placing 125 PV. So PV stands for the point value or the point volume that you are at. You are going to get a free grapefruit as long as your order is placed by the 15th of the month. Okay. So free grapefruit this month. I actually, calculated it up. So in this year alone, we are only in March of this year. And here are the free oils I've already earned this year. I have gotten a Melaleuca Touch, which was the free oil last month, and it was $12.50. Then in January, the free oil was Wild Orange, which is $10.50. This is US pricing. But there was a deal that for free frankincense from December that was extended into January. So I took advantage of it again. So I not only got a free frankincense in December, but I also got a free frankincense in January. So in January, I got free wild orange and free frankincense. And then this month I got a free grapefruit. So in this year alone, I've already got $108.75 US in free oils. How is that even possible, right? How cool is that? That just for, you know, supporting yourself in a more natural way, you're getting rewarded in free products. And again, they change out each month. We don't find out until the first of the month, but this is a great way to expand your oil collection. You know, maybe get an oil that you haven't bought yet, but now you're going to get it for free. And just really focus on living more natural by, you know, getting your order up to 125 PV through all the other beautiful products doTERRA has to offer in order to get those free oils. So for instance, I personally get the supplements every month. It's like one thing that is a no-brainer, non-negotiable for me. I need the supplements every month. The shampoo and conditioner is another one, another beautiful one. The skincare line. There's so many ways to kind of shift your spending or redirect it. So maybe you were going to Whole Foods or the health, which again doesn't reward you for, you know, spending $100 there. And now you're going to get your shampoo and your toothpaste and your skincare line and your supplements through your doTERRA account, and you're actually going to get a percentage of your order back, and you can actually apply it in the future towards free points or free products. So with the free oil of the month, that alone has already allowed me $108 in free oils, almost $109 in free oils. And that is not on top of the percentage back that I'm getting. So again, like I said, you start in the program at 10% back and you work all the way up to 30% back. So I spent, I think 200 or 126 PV this month. So again, I'm getting about 12, or what is it? 30, probably 30 to 40 dollars essentially back in points. So I just want to really drill that in, because again, this is a program that it's confusing until you get it. And then you're like, oh my goodness, everyone needs to know about this program. So it took me a while. I did tons of research on it. I read through every document I could. You know, I have an LRP document for us. You see here, bit.ly/learn LRP. The LRP has to be in capital letters, just at the bottom right hand of the corner there. You can check out that document to learn more about why this program is so valuable. And I'm talking about this because this really is the best way to support your life with that deepest discount. Okay, so you're already receiving 25% off your orders, but when you run it through LRP, then you are getting that additional percentage back. You're getting all your shipping back in points, and you're getting access to a free oil every month, which is huge, right? So if you need any recommendations on what to do for your next LRP order, maybe you're new into this lifestyle and you're wondering what shift to make next, make sure you check in with the person that helped get you started with oils. If that person is me, please reach out to me. We can go over and do, you know, a kind of overview of, you know, your wish list and what you're looking to green up or, you know, transform in the coming months. So personally for me, I started with oil basics. I did, you know, some things that are great to start your oil journey off with fractionated coconut oil. I switched out my toothpaste. So there are small things you can do right now. You can even, you know, add some lip balms to your cart, maybe get another citrus oil to support your moods and uplift a little bit. So there definitely are options. I find it really helpful when you are looking to update your LRP cart, to grab a living magazine. So I get these sent to me and I just love flipping through them because they have all the products at the back and it makes it so easy to kind of look and see what it is you're looking to get next. So I always use these when I'm building on my LRP order, if I'm being honest, okay? So these might come in handy. And again, this lotion right here, the green you see, it's essential too. So that one is a great starter option. You have the fractionated coconut oil, just some practical things as you get more situated on your oil journey. So with LRP too, I just want to mention that you might be thinking, okay, this program sounds great, but what does it cost to cancel it? And what does it cost to join? And it literally costs nothing. So you opt into it by logging into your doTERRA account. So at doTERRA.com, you enter in your ID. And then you would just create a new LRP template. The only thing you do have to do is if and when you want to cancel your account, your LRP account, is you just have to call in. So you can't do it over the computer, but you can call in and just cancel your account that way. Again, there's no penalties. My only recommendation to you is that you cash in all of your points that you've accumulated over the months of using LRP before you cancel the program. So that would be what I would do. And again, if you are building a doTERRA business like I am, you will need to have LRP set up and have it process 100 each month, just to make sure you're getting commission. So this is doTERRA's way of saying, hey, support your natural lifestyle, and this is how you're going to get paid, which is totally awesome because for me now, it's so easy to spend $100 because I use all these products to support my home and my family's health and all that amazing stuff. So now I'm going to switch gears to the LRP Insiders because obviously it relates to this amazing program that you are going to opt into, right? So LRP Insiders is something new that I've introduced to our team. So if you are on the Essential Glow Oil team, so whether you enrolled with me or one of my amazing leaders, then you are in the LRP Insider Club. So what this entails is that for processing your 125 PV order, so again, we're making it at 125 PV so that you actually get the perk of the free oil this month if you place your order by the 15th of the month, okay? So when you place your 125 PV order, that's it. You're done. You're in. You're going to get entered to win one of this month's beautiful diffuser necklace. So I'm giving away 4 of those. The first draw is tomorrow night. So if you are watching this and you're on LRP and you're in our Essential Glow Oil community or on our team, then, sorry, I just want to clarify that you're on our oil team, then you will get entered to win. So it's easy peasy, and then you're going to get entered 4 more times. So say you tomorrow, is already done, you place it the following day, so you place your order on Thursday or Friday, then you're going to get entered in the following 3 draws. So the earlier you get your LRP order in, the better chances you have to win, which is the whole point, right? We want people to get their orders in before the 15th of the month so that they get that free oil. Because again, that is like what is key. Like you can get so many beautiful oils for free when you get your orders in by the 15th of the month. So again, I will be on live tomorrow and I will be announcing the first winner for our weekly draw. This month is diffuser necklaces. Stay tuned. It's going to be new every month just to keep you guys on your toes. And if you have any recommendations that you would like to see, because I want to know what you guys want in your homes. Maybe it's oils, maybe it's oil products. You'll never know what will come up in the future. So I would love to hear what is on your wish list and see if it will come up on the LRP Insiders program. And this is what I do for my oil tribe because A, I love you guys, and B, living a more natural lifestyle is like something that is on my heart so much for people to do. So when I have such a sensitive, or my nose is so sensitive to smells and chemicals now and perfumes, that it really is something that really speaks to me to help people understand why this matters, why living more natural matters, why supporting your health and, you know, your home is so important. So I don't want to get too much off topic, but I did green clean my home today. And the crazy part is that before I was getting chemicals and toxins and putting them into my home. And that was, you know, taking away from my time by having to drive to the store, having to purchase them, having to bring them back. And then not to mention what tax it was doing to my body. Today, I filled up my green cleaner because it was almost empty in 10 seconds flat by using water and essential oils. Okay. So it is so simple to switch to more natural living if you just do it in small, simple steps, right? I do encourage that small changes over time can lead to big magic. So just know that, you know, by getting the free oil this month, maybe that will lead you down, you know, that more glowing path by using it to support you now when you, opposed to if you didn't get the free oil, then maybe you would never know about how awesome it is. So for instance, with grapefruit this month, it's great for cleansing in the body. It's great on the skin too, for helping break up fatty tissues like cellulite. So there are so many uses for it. I love drinking it in my water. So just take note of that, okay? I just want to plant the LRP seed because it would be a crime not to, okay? It would be a disservice to you if I wasn't sharing about how valuable LRP is. So I hope you saw some value in this Wellness Wednesday. I will be back, not next Wednesday because I will be gone to doTERRA's leadership retreat, but I will be back the following Wednesday. So if there's something you want covered, whether it's an oil specific or an oil topic, please let me know. I had to kick it off with LRP. As you know now, it is a program that's near and dear to my heart. I hope it is for you guys now too. And if you have any questions, post them below this video or head to the document bit.ly/learn LRP to learn more and, you know, opt into this beautiful program. You have nothing to lose, but all the health benefits to gain. So hope you guys have a great rest of the day and a very happy Wellness Wednesday.